going on, everybody, man? It's Travis Lee, man, on Travis Lee TV, man. Today is just going to keep it simple, keep it clean. Basically, we're just going to talk about how to clean your SD9 VE if you have a budget-friendly firearm. I'm gonna just do both of them today because I did another video already live for the M&P 40C pistol. So today I'm gonna just show you how to do this one, and we're gonna disassemble the M&P compact here. All right. So with that being said, man, first off, we're gonna start with this one. We're gonna start with the 40 compact. First off, just make sure everything is empty. All the rounds, everything empty pistol. No live ammunition, take it all out. That one's empty. Let's take care of this one. The 9mm is empty too, so no clip at all. All right. So with these two that's here, yeah, let's start with the 40 first. So when it comes down to the 40 M&P, if you have this firearm, basically what you're gonna have to do, a lot of times with the Smith & Wesson, they'll come with a piece at the bottom that you can actually take apart, and that also actually holds in your grip as well. That's in the back of the pistol. All right. So you can use it, or you don't have to use it. It's entirely up to you. Some people don't use it, but in this case, this instance, the inside here, you got this pin sticking out here. There's another pin that's supposed to stick out, and it's supposed to look like a let's say like a question mark or whatever. You're gonna grab that, push it down, even though it's up now, and it's supposed to look like this. So you see like a little question mark here. You got this pin, and then you got another one next to it. So that's what it's supposed to look like. After you have the slide stop, you're gonna basically push down the lock that locks the slide. So it's gonna look like this. It's a little tough, and it also goes back as well. So just to let you know, you're gonna push it back forward like this here. It's gonna look like that, right? You're gonna take the firearm, slide it back. It should feel a little click, and you're gonna slide it forward. All right, so it should come apart like this. And this is basically your firearm for the M&P 40C, 40 cal. All right, so you're gonna disassemble the spring. Then take out the barrel. You know what I'm saying? You just clean everything on the firearm. I know Shoot Straight actually sells cleaning kits that you can actually buy, and greasers, so you can grease out the firearm and everything of that nature and get it right. So that's for that one. Basically how you put it back on as well, you put everything back in place, make sure it's on the right trail, put it back in the system, put it back in place. It's gonna take a little work, and just cock it back and you're good to go. All right, that's basically how that goes after you're done. All right, so when you getting ready to clean a 9 SD9 VE, it's like the Glock. It's kind of similar to the Glock. Make sure everything is empty. There's nothing in it. No clip, no nothing. Cock it back. Make sure it's not cocked or anything like that. So what you're gonna do is grab a piece back here, slide it back just a little bit. Get a good grip on it. These two little things on the side, little prongs, it's a release. Push them down at the same time. Grab one, grab the other. It's gonna be kind of a pain in the behind to get them, but once you get them, piece comes slap off. It looks like this and all right, so got this thing out, man. It's a pain in the behind to get it out, seriously. So spring, this is the barrel, which this one, it's a little dirty. I gotta clean this one. So let me go get a cleaning kit. So got the cleaning kit. Just basically go ahead and clean up your firearm. Use a little bit of degreaser. Everything of that nature. Everything's working properly on there. You know, just a simple clean, man. It's nothing too lavish, nothing too hard. Gotta be clean, you know? So every time you use it, that's what keeps everything working properly. You know? Yeah, all right. Make sure that bad boy good. The barrel. Gotta keep it clean though. So, but it's simple, man. Then once you put everything back in, put it back together, you know, clean everything up, wipe it down as much as you can. You know, you take care of your firearm, it definitely take care of you. That's all you really got to do. Put your barrel and everything back in. No, have it look like that. Put your spring back in. Grab your piece, your firearm. Make sure it's lined up. Make sure it's on there. Make sure it's cocking back. Make sure it's taking your rounds. Take it out, just be careful. Don't do that with live ammunition. Do it with a dummy round. All right. Get it cleaned up. All right. But yeah, y'all be on the look. By the way, this is sponsored by USCCA. If you have an opportunity to go ahead and get you some insurance for concealed carry, that's about the best bet to do. Go with USCCA. All the benefits and everything, as far as getting a lawyer, as far as laws, as far as calling them in a situation, leave the stress on them. They also have a bond package where you get bonded out of jail if you happen to go to jail, or they'll get a lawyer for you to book the right lawyer for you, so you won't be walking through the everyday life of stressing. Where you can have that calmness and relaxation knowing that you're backed by somebody that's as good as USCCA. All right. So if you have opportunity, hit me in my DM and let me know, if you need help signing up with that, and we'll just go from there, man. But y'all be blessed till next time. See y'all around. It's Tribal Elite TV. Peace.